class of subject English for grade 6. In the previous lesson we have done the reading of chapter number 2. Today we are going to start the exercise of chapter number 2. I request all of you to please bring your books and open page number 11. Let's start reading. Surprising stunts. With the development of technology and free time, people are more and more interested in trying unusual things. Some of these stunts are so risky or terrifying that the people who do them are considered by some to be crazy. Certainly, they must be like thrilling adventure. Harry Houdini could perhaps be called the father of stuntmen. He did such unusual and difficult stunts that many people thought he was magical. One of his more famous stunts was having his feet locked in stocks and being lowered head first into the barrel of water. It was such a surprise to everyone who was watching when he came out minutes later out of stocks and breathing fine. He is famous for his unique and difficult escapes. Omar Locklear didn't try to become stuntman, he did it out of need. When he was flying his small plane one day, he experienced engine trouble. The only way to fix it was to walk along the wing and work on the motor, while the plane was flying in the air. Locklear's friends were so impressed by what he did that they encouraged him to try it again. He was so good at what he did that he became quite famous. Sadly, he died during one of his flights. You have to look for the meaning of underlined words and make sentences on the rough pages. Now come to the exercise, which is comprehension. Exercise number A. Put H next to the sentences that tells us about Harry Houdini and put L next to the sentences that tells us about Omar Locklear. So first is started doing stunt by accident, which is Omar Locklear. Second, died while doing one of his stunts, which is again Omar Locklear. So we write L for Omar Locklear. Some people thought he was magical, so this will be done by Harry Houdini. Escaped from a barrel of water, again this is done by Harry Houdini. Known for his unusual escapes, again this is done by Harry Houdini. The last one, his friend encouraged him to do the stunts, which is for Omar Locklear. We have written L in the dash. Now come to exercise number B. Change the definition to make it correct. You have to change the definition of the words written like stocks. Stunt, escape. Stocks, a way to free people so they can't escape. So we have to correct it by cutting free and write chain, a way to chain people so they can't escape. Next definition is of stunt, a daily and boring activity. So it will be changed, daily will be changed into daring and boring will be changed into unusual. So the definition of stunt is a daring and unusual activity. Next word is escape, to be chained up. So this will be, the definition will become, after changing it, escape. The definition of escape is to get away. Now come to the next page, which is page number 12. Look at exercise number A. Read, change and say. Replace the highlighted words with the new words. First sentence is, Mary is so excited. Excited is highlighted, that she is jumping up and down. Jumping up and down is also highlighted. So you have to change excited and jumping up and down from the words given below. Bored, falling asleep. So it will become, Mandy is so bored that she is falling asleep. From number 2, Mandy is so late that she is running to catch the bus. Number 3, Mandy is so happy that she is smiling and laughing. So same you have to do in number 2. They are such expert painters. Expert painters are highlighted that they painted the president's house. Painted the president house is also highlighted. So you have to change it from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for the practicing purpose, you have to do exercise number B, C on the book. Exercise number B is using the grammar chart, fill the missing part of the sentences. And number C exercise is unscramble the sentences, then write. The sentences will be given they are not in the ordered form, so you have to write these sentences in the ordered form on the book. Later it will be checked by the teacher on the book and remarks will be given on the book. Now come to the next page, which is page number 13, the writing exercise. A day I will never forget. You have to read this paragraph and you have to answer the questions given in the exercise number A, which is write a short description about the following item. Use so and such in your descriptions. The funniest time I can remember, the time I was most scared, the most unusual person I know. The worksheet of this chapter were also given to you, so you have to do these worksheets on the pages. Later will be checked by the teacher and remarks will be given on your pages. Dear students, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school contact number. We will address your queries there.